if we have the expression 5 plus 9 inside the parentheses, then minus 28 divided by 7 times 2, then what is the correct answer of this question? Many people, when solving this question, first go to the expression inside the parentheses, and instead of this expression, they write 14 minus 28 divided by 7, then times 2. And the next step, they go for the subtraction between 14 and 28 and write this expression as negative 14 divided by 7, then times 2. Next, they go for the division between negative 14 and 7 and write this expression as negative 2 multiplied by 2, which finally gives them the answer negative 4. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go to the expression inside the parentheses because they believe parentheses have a higher priority than the other operations. So, instead of this expression, they write 14 by 28 divided by 7, then times 2. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 7 and 2 because they believe multiplication has a higher priority than division. So, instead of this expression, they write 14 minus 28 divided by 14. In the final step, they go for the division between 28 and 14 because they think division has a higher priority than subtraction. So, they rewrite this expression as 14 minus 2, which finally gives them the answer 12. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. In this rule, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have parentheses, then a subtraction sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. According to the PEMDAS rule, first we go for the parentheses, because parentheses have the highest priority than the other operations. So, instead of this expression, we can write 14 minus 28 divided by 7, then times 2. And the next step, we go for the division and multiplication, because these two operations have a higher priority than subtraction. However, we must pay close attention that multiplication and division have the same level of priority and we must perform these two operations from left to right. So, first we go for the division between 28 and 7, and instead of this expression, we can write 14 minus 4, then times 2. In the final step, we go for the multiplication between 4 and 2 because multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So, we rewrite this expression as 14 minus 8, which finally gives us the answer 6. Alright, now let's solve another math question together. What is the value of the expression 16 divided by 4 over 5 multiplied by 5? At the beginning of solving this question, many people go straight to the multiplication between 4 over 5 and 5, and they immediately cancel out 5 with the 5 in the denominator and write this expression as 16 divided by 4, which finally gives them the answer 4. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. To solve this question, we must follow the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. We must pay close attention that multiplication and division have equal precedence. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we go for the division between 16 and 4 over 5. Okay, whenever we see a division sign between two terms, the best thing to do is to apply the KCF rule. In this rule, K stands for keep the first number as it is, C stands for change the division sign to multiplication, and F stands for flip the second fraction. So, instead of this expression, we can write 16 multiplied by 5 over 4, then times 5. Now, we can easily simplify 16 with the 4 in the denominator, and instead of this expression, we can write 20 multiplied by 5, which finally gives us the answer 100.